Hello everyone, I am Aswani, Assistant Professor, Department of CSE AIML at MLR Institute of Technology. Welcome back another session of Artificial Intelligence. In this session, we are going to say about the basics of Prolog. That is what we have started in the last few sessions onwards. So in this session, we are going to see what are the variables in Prolog, how we will use that variables and types of operators and input-output terms in Prolog, how it will be taken as a input, how it will write the output in the console. Okay, let's see variables. So variables are the placeholders, or it can call as the clause in the head or body. So here the variables are in the head or body of the class. The variables are used. Variables are also used in goals, and the goals are entered at the system prompt. So the variables are represented within the capital letters. Variables are written with the capital letters only, and variables are called as placeholders. Placeholders, or we can say blank space also. Placeholders are, we can say, blank space. So variables and goals. In goals, the variables can be interpreted as meaning find variables value that makes the goal satisfied. So large animal X. So we need to store this one into the database, X equal to some giraffe. Then it will give the answer as giraffe. Let's check how the variables will be executed in the Prolog. Start sweep Prolog. Okay. So for example, here file new variables dot pl. Okay. For example, teacher John, math. Teacher Alice, science. Okay. So compile buffer. Okay. Now, if you want to know who is teaching the math, then you can write teacher X, math. Then X equal to John. X represented as a variable and math is a subject name, which is teaching by the John. So first we need to store into the knowledge base. Later we can ask the question to the knowledge base. The specific only it will give. For example, if you ask English, then it won't answer because there is no English here in the knowledge base. Okay, in such a way the variables will be operated in the Prolog. Okay, so for example, here another class will be given, parent A comma B, father A comma B. If parent A comma B, then only father A comma B. In the above class, the occurrence of A and B variables can be replaced consistently by any other variables like first person and second person. We can give not only A comma B or first person and second person, we can give Raju. Like that we can give the values, parent first person comma second person, father first person comma second person. These variables will changes consistently. That is what here we have written. Okay, let's see the operators in Prolog. So the first one is comparison operators. The comparison operators are used to compare two equations or states. So the first greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, and equal to, colon, equal to, then only it will be compared with the left hand side operator to right hand side operator, and this one is the not equal to. The x and y values are not equal. Let's check how it will be worked in the sweep interpreter. So here we have to use the is as an operator. X is 10 plus 20 to stop. Then x equal to 30. Otherwise, we can perform the power operation also. X is 2 to the power of 2. Then x equal to 4. Otherwise, we can ask a equal to some 10, comma, b equal to some 5, c is a into b. Okay, then it will give the a equal to 10, b equal to 5, and it will subtract the substitute a and b values, and it will produce the output, and that result will be placed into the c. Okay, the comparison operators. Otherwise, we can check the comparison operators also here. X is a variable which is used to place the result. X is 10 less than 20. So operator expected. So first we need to give the values in the knowledge base, and then it will ask the questions whether it is greater than or less than values. Let's check here. 1 plus 2 equal to comparison assignment operator equal to or not. 1 plus 2 and 2 plus 1. Yes, it is equivalent. Then it return the true. 1 plus 2 equal to 2 plus 1, it not the true, because it is a 3 equal to 3, but it is an assignment operator, and here it is called as equal to comparison equal operator. So it will give a true. Then 1 plus a equal to b plus 2. Now a is assigned as a 2, b is assigned as 1. Okay. The next one is arithmetic operators. The arithmetic operators are used to perform arithmetic operations. That is what we have seen in the SWI Prolog. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and power also we have seen. The next one is input and output terms, how it will be taken input, how it will be taken as output. So here there are two predicates. One is write, another one is read. The write is used to write the data on the console. If you want to write in functional programming languages such as C, Java, we will use the print method to write display something on the console. But in the Prolog, we'll use the write 56. Then it will be displayed as a 56. Let's check it out. So write hello. So write is used to write the something on the console. In the similar way, if you want to display the next line, then we can use the NL as the new line command. Next predicate is read, which is used to read the data from the console. Okay, let's see one example. Here we are performing the cube of the value. Okay, let's copy. Control C. File. .pl. Open. Control V. Compile. Okay. Now cube. Write a number. So let's check the here cube, write a number. Then it will display as it is, because we are writing inside the write predicate. It will display as it is. Next, read the number. It is asking to user to enter the number. Next, it will process the number. Process stops when we write the stop, then it will stop automatically. Process number, C is a number into number into number. Whatever the value is there, that will be placed into the C. And after that, cube of that number. What is that number? For example, if you have given 2, then cube of 2 colon, then it will return the C. What is the C is stored the result that will be displayed, and cube again it will asking the cube. Let's check how it will interpreting. Write a number 2, then enter. Cube. Cube of 2 is 8. Each and every statement after we need to put the dot. Again it is asking the right number. Until unless we'll write the stop, it will keep on asking the values to process the cube program. Okay, let's check here also. Cube, write a number 2, then cube of 2 is 8. Again it is asking write a number 10. Until unless we'll write the stop, it will keep on asking the numbers to enter to process the cube program. So in this session we have seen variables, how it will be written inside the Prolog programming and how it will be accessed. Next we have seen the operators, comparison operators and arithmetic operators. Next we have seen the input and output terms. In Prolog. Thank you.